show. Is he doing that? Stop it. Oh my God.
You just leave me standing, and out in this world is so cold. Maybe I'm just too demanding, or maybe I'm just like my father too bold. Maybe I'm just like my mother.
Stop it.
'Cause she never satisfied. So why do we scream at each other? This is what it sounds like when dogs cry. Maybe I'm just like my mother. 'Cause she never satisfied. So why do we scream at each other? This is what it sounds like when dogs cry. This is what it sounds like. 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 This is what it sounds like when doves cry.
That is by far the coolest thing we have ever had on the show.
Who are you? What's your name?
So my name's Sam, I'm from Perth, and I'm 28 years old. So I'm doing something on The Voice that's never been done before. The difference between me and the other artists on the show is I won't be using the band, I'll be using strictly just my voice. I think vocal looping is where a lot of music is headed. It's you and your own thoughts and your own loops, a cappella with yourself. But there's a chance that the coaches won't like it, and it's a huge risk.
You know what was really interesting was the fact that even before you really started, there was kind of like an atmosphere in the room, kind of a mad electricity. And that's really difficult to do before you've actually done anything. We can almost smell the anticipation, you know.
Yeah,
How long have you
cool.
been doing this? It's amazing.
About 5 years now.
Oh my God. You just changed the game.
Thanks,
Yeah.
man.
It was more than just, I think, a collective. It was a whole performance. It was like completely captivating. I believed everything you were doing. It was like, it was a real trance. I'm so excited. You have to be on my team.
I wasn't sure anyone would really like it. It was a little bit.
It is so amazing to see somebody go up there and do something different.
Where do you do this? Do you do this in like clubs and stuff?
Yeah, I've been touring for about 5 years, and you know, I do my own thing in small venues, and I tour in a bigger show, but I like the smaller, dirtier
And is it
nightclubs.
all this? Do you all sort of sing all the way through, or do you
Yeah,
just do
I
normal
usually-
DJing as well?
Just with my voice, just sets.
First of all, you realize you just completely don't play fair. You just changed the entire game with this. You realize that, right?
I am so excited. I just want to continue to see like what else you have up your sleeve and just continue to like explore those sounds. It's kind of like watching a movie as well. Like it felt really, and that's important, I think, to keep that.
Something that's really important not to like discredit too is that you're a performer. You're like, you're not just hiding behind anything. Like you were moving, you were singing, you're a great vocalist.
Thanks,
like
man.
you have the voice, you definitely do, and I would love for you to be on my team.
But you know what it is as well, though? It's also about incorporating like songs that people just feel, like great songs, like you did there, where it was like songs that you go, okay, like that was When Doves Cry, but with your own take on it. So it's important you find the right songs that the audience love and want to be a part of. And I think that's really important going forward, what songs we pick.
Well, the question is, what do you want to do? Because I'm the coach that's gonna make you just do you. First off, I just want you to do you because that's what you did when you got here. And that's what made this whole room shift energy and completely make it just a swirl of too much.
Cool.
I think if you go clubbing, you get it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's a real clubbing thing.
I mean, but I get club. I do everything from dance music
Break my heart.
to R&B.
Can't break my heart.
I've done all the hip hop that you love, honey. I've collaborated with every hip hopper you can think of.
Don't break my heart. Come on. Come on. Come on, please. Come on.
I think whoever you pick will be the winner. I think you could win this. It's so kind of interesting.
Before I do pick, though, I do have to say, boy, you do owe my dad a beer.
Okay.
He bought you a beer 30 years ago.
You could definitely make that happen by coming on my team.
I'll buy him 50 beers.
I have
like a
I'll
whole
sit
day.
out the back and
I have
sing
plenty
and
of beer in my trailer. Don't you worry about it.
This is
Come
not
on.
about beer, man. This is about creativity. Come on.
Please.
Okay. I was coming in hoping for. I wanna be me. I wanna do me. So I'm gonna go with Kelly.
Hello. How you doing? So this knockout group is Maddie, Emily, and Sam. This theme that I've chosen is very, very close to my heart. It's girl groups. I know Sam is like, what? Girl groups?
That's all right.
But trust me on it. These girls have big voices. This knockout is gonna be tough for Sam. Survivor by Destiny's Child. I knew it.
Awesome. Okay.
I trust you with this, so I'm intrigued to hear what you do to it.
Okay. So I've got to take a Destiny's Child song and perform it to Kelly Rowland. You know, what if she hates it? Can I get a reference, actually, from just the chorus?
I'm a survivor, I'm not gonna give up. The part that concerns me the most with Sam is hitting the wrong button. And this is live.
That's the hum you're looking for.
Just the underlining.
There was this moment when me and Maddie were just sort of watching Sam, and he was killing it, like, and we're just thinking to ourselves, like, we've got to go up against that.
What?
Yeah.
What? What?
It seems like I've got a little bit of an advantage having my loop station and my effect pedal there, but at the same time I have to be the drummer, be the bassist, write all the harmonies, and then sing on top of it.
Yes, all of that.
Yeah, okay.
Do all of it.
I think that's something that can be very challenging for me to go up against, but I think I can give him a run for his money.
Let's go.
'Cause I'm a survivor, I'm not gonna give up, I'm not gonna stop.
Look at my hand, it's shaking. The artist I'm going to go with really needs me at this time because they have to continue to grow. And that's Sam.
Sam, congratulations! For tonight's final battle, it's Team Kelly.
At the beginning of our session today, I wanted to have a minute with Sam. How you feel?
Little.
I know.
Sam blew away all the coaches in the blinds. But after being the first to turn, George changed his tune at the knockouts.
As much as I love George, you know, he's always got to have something to say.
You're a little bit of a red sock and a whitewash because this is called The Voice and you're not really a singer.
George, you are a DJ. You know this like the back of your hand.
Absolutely, and that's why I know it's DJing and not singing. It's DJing, right?
Every sound you hear is my voice. So I think I do deserve to be here, just in a slightly different way. I just didn't see it coming.
I know, that makes two of us. With the situation that happened last week, I think he started to question himself. But I had to remind him what you're doing is just fine. Show them that you can sing, show them that you have a voice, and show them why you call it looping. Being a looper, you are using your voice.
Thank
and
you.
I want to make that very clear to everybody.
Cool.
And I have a lot of respect for you, and my job as your coach is to make sure that people gain that respect as well.
Thanks.
So, do you want to see who you're battling?
I do. I'm keen.
I needed someone that was a force, that could really, really go toe-to-toe with Sam. AP!
Yeah, right. When I saw AP walk in, I was a little thrown. Okay. All right. All right. It's gonna be tough.
I'm not just saying this because you guys are on my team, but y'all are by far the most unique artists here.
With his take of a Beatles classic in the knockouts,
I love this guy.
folk aficionado AP convinced Kelly to steal him from Team Joe.
The energy that you give off is truly phenomenal. And I want to celebrate that.
Thank
and
you
that's
so
why I
much.
put you guys together.
All right.
My biggest concern for these two was what song do they sing? So the song I've given you guys is by the Rolling Stones, Sympathy for the Devil.
Ooh.
You can handle it.
Yeah. Never beatboxed a Rolling Stones song in my life, but it's exciting. That's why I'm here. I'm just gonna see how it feels. I know it. Do you know it?
I'm already hearing loops. Being a folk singer, singing rock is out of my comfort zone.
I set the tempos, the rhythms, the percussion for the song at the start. I make the bed for the track. He's playing and I'm looping and we're both singing. So much to take in straight away. I think I'm still coming in at the wrong time. I deleted it.
He's thinking about lining all the sounds up to produce a track for AP to sing on top of it in time.
I'm confused already.
He has to get it right. He has no choice. Oh, Sam, no pressure.
Oh, it's fine.
What's tricky about this is you set this whole thing up.
Yeah. This has the potential to train wreck. There's a lot on my shoulders. So there you go, there's the one.
Please allow me to introduce myself.
In this coaching session, the only thing I was listening for from Sam was to hear his voice more. Sam, I need you to do me a favor.
Yeah.
Stop second-guessing yourself.
Okay.
You got a 4-chair turn.
Yeah. Never tackled a song like this before and never worked with an artist like this before.
AP, you're used to playing, like, by yourself. How is it having somebody with you?
Being a soloist, I do not share the stage with anyone. If I mess up,
It's just you.
it's just me. I'm confident in my abilities to bring it back. But if I mess up, it's affecting him and vice versa.
Vice versa, man.
Yeah, so.
Yeah. I've got you. Don't even worry about it.
Okay.
Easy.
I have to trust him. He's like the music part of it. If he screws up, we both screw up.
allow me to introduce myself. I'm a man with wealth and taste. Been around for a long, long year. Stole many a man's soul and faith.
Hey!
And I've been around since Jesus Christ had his moment of doubt and pain. And I made damn sure that Pilate washed his hands and sealed his fate. Ah, yeah. That's just it. Pleased to meet you. Hope you guess my name. Yeah. But what's puzzling you is the nature of my game. Just every cop is criminal. All sinners saints. Heads is tails, just call me Lucifer. But I need some restraint. Yeah. Should it please to meet you? Won't you guess my name? But what's puzzling you is the nature of my game. Now sing it, ain't good. Tell me, baby, tell me what's my name. Should I tell your name? Sing it, I don't want to be. Tell you, baby, can you guess my name? Should I tell you one time? And then you'll play.
The person that I'm taking through. Ooh, goodness gracious. My stomach is doing so many flips. The person that I'm taking through is Sam. Congratulations! So this week, I'm excited for the song that I'm giving you. Smells Like Teen Spirit by Nirvana
Yeah.
is what I'm giving you.
Cool.
First time you hear this song, like it was something new, it was something nobody was expecting, like similar to you,
Yeah.
even being here, you know what I mean? And people understanding that you're not a DJ, you're a looper.
Cool.
And
We're getting there.
Sam has had controversy. I knew that working with Sam was going to bring that. Controversy happens. Who cares? You know you gotta be dope when they talking about you.
I'd like to make it a little bit quicker.
Faster? Yeah. Let's try it. We in rehearsal. This song started grunge rock, and now he's gonna make it his own.
Load up on guns, bring your friends. It's fun to lose and to pretend. She's overboard, she's self-shot. I know we're dirty. We're hello.
from Team Kelly. Brock, you are also in the bottom two and will sing off tonight.
Oh my
The rest of you are safe and can head backstage.
Can't see that coming.
I have given you Gangsta's Paradise.
This week's a big one for me. I'm going back to the loops, so I've got to write each part. I've got to arrange the song. I've got to work out which harmony works with what. Which bass line works with what. Which beat works with what.
Yeah! I think you should do that beat.
The quick.
That's really dope.
I'm happy to be back in my style, my vibe, my vision.
George literally might take his hat off. Each week, I've given you a song and you've been able to just completely nail it. So we're gonna try this one out for size.
Terrified.
Yo, Sam, why are you laughing?
Just the 2 pages.
Because it's 2 pages. That's for damn sure.
As a loop artist, you'd never tackle this song. I'm pretty sure it changes key.
It does.
Yeah, okay. And tempo.
It does. This song has elements of opera, pop, rock. I wanted him to have a song that would push him. It's an opportunity for you to show a newer generation how awesome this record is.
Yeah. I mean, this is one of the biggest songs of all time.
We're not here to just stay stagnant.
No. I have no idea where to start with this. This is not the song I would like heading into the semi-final.
is just fantasy. To me, to me, to me, to me. Mama, just kill the man. Put a gun against his head. Pull my trigger, now he's dead. Mama, life has just begun. Now I've gotta throw it away. Mama. I'm just a poor boy from a poor family. I'm just a poor boy from a poor family. I'm just a poor boy from a poor family. I'm just a poor boy from a poor family. So you think you can slow me and spit in my eye? So you think you can love me and leave me today? No, baby, can't do that to me, baby. I just gotta get out, just gotta get right out, and just gotta get out, just gotta get right out, and just gotta get out, just gotta get right out of here.
The first artist through to the grand finale and singing next week to win is from Team Kelly. It's Sam. Congratulations, you are our first grand finalist.
So what do you think about the song choice for our duet?
I'm more nervous than excited.
Why are you nervous?
It's just like the most nerve-wracking experience of the whole show
This
so
is
far.
going to be so fun.
Yeah.
So I have given us They Don't Really Care About Us by Michael Jackson.
They don't care about us. They don't care about us. They don't care about us.
I thought like the beginning of like how Michael starts, you could just like do your loop.
The loop thing. Do the things with the machines and the loops. Do you have delay on? You did before.
I don't. A little. Can I get a, hey.
One. Just to give it a bit of, you know,
Yeah.
fatness.
Yeah.
Some flavor.
Come in when you come in.
You come in whenever you want. That's the beauty of the loop.
Okay, here we go.
3, 4. I think it's a good choice, and I can give it that energy, and you can give it the passion, and I think it's pretty perfect for us.
Everybody gone mad. Situation, aggravation, everybody allegation. In the street, on the news, everybody dog food. Bang, bang, shot dead. Everybody's gone mad. All I wanna say is that they don't really care about us. All I wanna say is that they don't really care about us. Beat me, hate me, you can never break me. Will me, thrill me, you can never kill me. Drill me, sue me, everybody do me. Kick me, kite me, don't you black and white me. All I wanna say is that they don't really care about us. All I wanna say is that they don't really care about us. Tell me what has become of my life. I have a wife and 2 children who love me. I am a victim of police brutality. I'm tired of being a victim
What I'm most proud of with Sam is the fact that he's been able to stay focused amongst all the controversy. You've been strong, you've been bulletproof, and an unsuspected hero. So I feel like I want to give you a mashup of Praise You by Fatboy Slim.
Yep.
And Stronger by Kanye West.
The don't kill me.
It only make me.
Yep.
You like that?
I like that.
Okay,
that is
perfect.
cool.
Okay.
Mashup.
Yes.
Come a long, long way together.
I'm singing this last song for Kelly. The lyric works with that.
I'm so proud of Sam and happy that we've had the journey that we've had together.
I'm gonna go out there and do what I do best, and I'm gonna have fun. This song's for you, Kelly. It sounds great for me. It sounds like the exact thing I want to do, especially in the final.
Let's do it. Sam has been a magician, and this grand finale is his final trick.
We've come a long, long way together. Through the hard times and the good, I have to celebrate you, baby. I have to praise you like I should. Work it out and make it better, faster, make it stronger. Hour, hour after hour, work is never over. Make it better, faster, make it stronger. Never, hour after hour, work is never over. Work it out and make it better, faster, make it stronger. Never, hour after hour, work is never over. So let's get lost tonight. You can be my black master tonight. Play the secretary, I'm the boss tonight. We don't really care about what they say, right? Say that don't kill me, can only make me stronger. I need you to hurry up now, 'cause I can't wait much longer. You know I've got to be right now, 'cause I can't wait much longer. Man, I've been waiting all night now. That's a lot. Don't kill me, can only make me stronger. I need you to hurry up now, 'cause I can't wait much longer. You know I've got to be right now, 'cause I can't get much longer. Man, I've been waiting all night now. That's how long I've been on ya.
The winner of The Voice 2018 is Sam! Congratulations, Sam. Congratulations.